It's a bird? It's a plane? No, it's a drone swarm? Yes. Brought to you by Palladyne AI. It's taking its invitation to participate in Northern Strike 26.2 as an opportunity to demonstrate its Swarm OS and IntelliSwarm platforms in more realistic settings. Northern Strike, after all, is a major U.S. Department of Defense joint exercise involving more than 9,000 personnel, offering demanding military settings where there's also direct exposure to defense decision-makers. Palladyne will deploy its EagleNXT mini-bomber drone alongside multiple unmanned aerial systems from different manufacturers, showcasing true cross-platform interoperability. A key differentiator is Palladyne's decentralized autonomy architecture, which allows drones to collaborate and make decisions without relying on centralized command systems that can fail in contested or communications-denied environments. If all goes well, the demonstration could serve as a catalyst, a stepping stone of sorts towards future contracts and programs of record, particularly as modern warfare increasingly shifts toward distributed, autonomous, and cost-effective systems. Another selling point Palladyne brings is its vertically integrated approach, combining proprietary hardware with scalable autonomy software that's intended to enable rapid adoption across allied defense markets. Another electric flying animal making the rounds is EagleNXT, which just reported that total revenue for 2025 declined slightly to $12.8 million from $13.4 million, yet profitability metrics were described as improving significantly. Gross profit rose to $6.6 million, with margins expanding to 51.8%, reflecting better cost management and a shift toward higher-value products. Most notably, net loss narrowed dramatically to $5.3 million from $35 million in 2024, an 85% improvement. It also strengthened its financial position, ending the year with $29.9 million in cash, up from $3.6 million, supported by $36.2 million raised through equity financing and access to up to $100 million in preferred funding. Looking beyond financials, EagleNXT expanded defense deployments of its EB Vision platform into international markets, particularly in Latin America and Asia. It also invested in Aerodrome Group to gain exposure to next-generation unmanned platforms and continued to grow its commercial presence in sectors like public safety and environmental monitoring. This was helped with global shipments of Red-Edge P sensors, boosting its higher-margin portfolio. CEO Bill Irby emphasized that the company has streamlined operations, aligned costs with demand, and is now focused on converting growing interest into scalable revenue, which will be helped by rising global demand for drones with enhanced range, endurance, and real-time intelligence capabilities, particularly in defense and government applications. On the flip side, there's also rising demand for a counter-drone hero like ParaZero. PZ's counter-drone CUAS capabilities have just gained credibility thanks to it securing a framework agreement worth over $650,000. With a Tier 1 international defense customer specializing in drone interception. The deal includes integration of PZ's Defend Air Net pod into a new autonomous interception platform, along with the purchase of at least 2,000 units, providing a foundation of commercial proof validating its non-explosive net-based interception technology. The agreement also serves to broaden global deployment potential of its systems, which can cater to the demands of military and civilian environments to safely neutralize hostile drones without the danger of collateral damage.